Steering column module replacement. This is the steering column module. Fold the red ones later. The model is written on the back. Confirmation is required when exchanging. Drill holes on the left and right sides of the lever. This will remove the airbag, but it is better to remove the negative terminal of the battery. I have already removed the airbag, but if I press this part, it will come off. The image looks like this. Disconnect the airbag connector. Airbag body. Coco is caught and stopped. Remove the blue connector. Remove with M10 hex wrench. The steering wheel will now come off. M10. I took the steering wheel. Pull out the steering column module and remove the connector. Undo. Erase error. Ignore terminal 30 errors. 30.